stand with the New York Immigration Coalition and all of labor to really send a strong message that New York is not Arizona, that we need to ensure that we protect our immigrants, that we really value the contributions that have been made, that we are founded as a nation and as a city of immigrants, and that we will make sure that we pass comprehensive immigration reform at a national level. What has happened in Arizona is unacceptable, it is abhorrent, and we have to send a strong message, keep raising the visibility, and keep raising the bar with regards to what we expect municipalities and cities to do. So I stand here united with my colleagues in government, with labor, again, and to say that New York is not Arizona, and that we will stand united until we pass comprehensive immigration reform. Thank you.
We'll never see you